Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 20th, 2022. Real quick, I'm going to do a video about Bitcoin Cash today because it continues to post losses ever since I did this price prediction. Guys, take a look at this right here. I did a price prediction originally in Bitcoin Cash all the way back on November 23rd, 2022. You guys can see that price has been on a steady decline. Price hasn't gone up since then. I even did a video on December the 6th, where the market was right here in Bitcoin Cash, and I was still looking for the price to go higher. Like, I wasn't going to change my price prediction, but obviously you guys can tell that even that didn't happen, that the overall buyers did not show up in the market in Bitcoin Cash, and price continues to decline. Well, what does it mean? Well, it simply means that the buyers never showed up, for one, and the market was giving us instances to where we should have saw that. And I wanted to show you all right here, namely this day right here. The next day, December the 5th, the day before I did the update video on December the 6th. This was a clue to the market to tell you that the buyers attempted to move price up in Bitcoin Cash, and it did not follow through, because I was expecting it to follow through, and it didn't. The buyers did not follow through, and price, you guys can see, it came down, and it came all the way down here to our ultimate ultimate loss point, which is around 12.75%. right there on December 16th. So yes, this price prediction did not go according to plan, and it happens. What you do is you simply learn from it and you come back and you play again. So let's go ahead and talk about what's going on to the market of Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see I just zoomed out, and not too much is really going on in the market of Bitcoin Cash. We've seen this particular cryptocurrency trade in between these two lines for a while now, ever since the summertime of 2022. Price in Bitcoin Cash has been trading within these two lines. So I'm just going to extend those out first of all, so we can consider, and since that has been the overall pattern that the market in Bitcoin Cash has been trading in, then we need to maintain that until we see one of these lines break. Okay, so looking at this on the 2-weekly chart, this right here, this 2-weekly price bar kind of tells me that, yeah, generally the price action in Bitcoin Cash is weak. Okay, so when you look at these two lines here, which of these two lines do you think has a greater probability of breaking, a price breaking either to the downside or to the upside? Let me show you something else that you see on the 2-weekly chart, because the market is not lying. You guys can see that price in Bitcoin Cash has been on a steady decline ever since we've been in this trading channel. So we're still seeing the long-term purview of the market action in Bitcoin Cash is weakness and movement to the downside. That is not a positive thing for us to see, especially if we're trying to see price go up. We are in a downtrend. The market is making lower highs, even here on the 2-weekly chart. You guys can see it here on the 3 weeks. We're still seeing some weakness here in the market of Bitcoin Cash. Now, the only thing that could stop this weakness that we're seeing on the weekly time frame is buyers coming in, propping up the price just like they did here around $96 or $95. That's it, nothing else. Look at this on the monthly chart. Okay, let's take a look at this on the 3 months. Take a look at that. Like, nothing here is being seen that we need to be bullish right now. Nothing. Here it is on the 3-5-day chart. This weakness right here in Bitcoin Cash definitely tells us that there's still some weakness into the market. Now, we only got a day and 13 hours left on this current 5 days, and the market currently is not really moving. So that tells me that yes, buyers are still coming in around $96. They're trying to keep price propped. That's it. They're trying to do it now because the volume is pretty decent. Very small spread. We're closing off of the lows right now in Bitcoin Cash on the 5-day time frame. So yeah, that tells me that the buyers are trying to keep the market propped in Bitcoin Cash. But overall, still not looking too good though. We need to get more confirmation that buyers are really propping in, stepping in and buying up this currency. Okay, so let me see this on the hourly chart in Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, you guys can see it here. Let me go ahead and circle it right here. It kind of resembles what happened the last time we saw price come down in Bitcoin Cash. We're getting the same type of price action. So now, just because we're seeing some movement higher in Bitcoin Cash doesn't mean that we're due for a move all the way back up to that upper resistance area, which is around $130. Okay. So look at this here. We're going to play some strength now into the market of Bitcoin Cash, because I am seeing strength on an hourly time frame, but this is not one to where we just buy and sit and wait and hold until we see the market run up to $150. We need to be a little bit more conservative in how high we think price is going to go. My first price target is already right there around 104 to like $103. My second area will be around 107 to like 108. So let me put this on the chart now. So we said 104 or 103. Let's just do 104. So that's 3.25%. Okay, 3.25. Second one's going to be around 108. And that's around 6.83%. My third one would be up here to 111, 110, which is around like another 10% move higher in Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, I'll do that. So this is what I'm looking at into the market of Bitcoin Cash right now. I'm not massively bullish though, okay? I just simply want to express that what I've shown you on the weekly time frame, how the market price bar is giving us weakness, and we've been seeing the market making lower highs ever since this high in July. This is not an opportunity to be massively bullish. If we were to draw that line again, let's see. So we can see the market in Bitcoin Cash, right? Run up here to this descending line. So I'm gonna hold that there. So I'm gonna cut this line out the way. I don't want us to be confused. And we're going to figure out how high can the market go in Bitcoin Cash before we see the price continue to go down, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. I like that. I'm gonna hold that there so we can see how strong the market really is in Bitcoin Cash. Now I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and drop me your price prediction, your price target in the market for Bitcoin Cash. Do you think the market's about to go up? Do you think we're going to continue to see losses in this currency's price? Are we going to break $95 to the downside in Bitcoin Cash? Let me know. Drop me a comment. And also, if you guys want to join me as we continue to travel throughout the cryptocurrency market without the confusion, make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well. I want you all to make sure that you are updated on the price movement that we are anticipating price is going to go before it does it. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.